everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're dressing windowsill using aluminum sheet metal trim, I think it's called. English is not my native language, but we'll have to start with the sealant on the window. So we're gonna do that. Now I did put some sealant on here before, but I ran out, so I had to restart the video. But it doesn't matter. It's just a little bit more sealant. It's not gonna hurt. I can show you the trim here. We have a folded edge because it's a school and we don't want the kids to scalp their little heads on the trim when they're running around playing. So we usually just fold an edge there to make it a little bit softer for them. You just put it on and then you just screw it on. Like that. I usually just attach it at the edges first so that you get the right height on it. It's broken. Take this one. So it's 180 centimeters, just divide it evenly. That's 30, 60, 90, 120, 150 and 180. Then I like to start with the middle one just so it doesn't flex down as you're screwing it from the side. There we go. That's how we do a windowsill made out of sheet metal aluminum. We just use this one to attach the window trim so it doesn't flex up and down so easily. So we'll just hook it in like so. Slide it into place so it doesn't extend past the window trim. And then you have the template for the angle of the trim. You just put it in and you screw it. Had the wrong bits in. Take the other side. Awkward. pretty common if you're working in construction. It happens. You have to screw at weird angles and there you go. You just got to attach it with a few more screws and you're done. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Yes. Alright, so for those of you interested in the finished product, I figured I'd show you. This is what it's gonna look like. You have the wood trim on the sides, and underneath, well, you won't really see the additional piece we put down in the bottom, and that's what the top is gonna look like when it's finished. Yeah.